don't want wahala. Why you never want wahala?
Tomorrow. I know.
Okay, man.
What's up? How you doing, man? Where are you from?
Imo State.
Wow. We side of Imo State. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
This is my first time of seeing you here. Do you stay around there?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, are you from this arena or you're just come around to see somebody?
One person at time.
You are so beautiful. Exactly. You are beautiful. Is the mother from Imo State? Yes. Wow. This is Imo State. Which church you go?
I attend Catholic Church.
Wow. Catholic Church. That's my church too. Yeah. That's our church. Yeah. You look beautiful. Yes. You did school?
I'm a graduate.
This man again.
You're the owner of my life. You're the owner of my life.
Yeah.
You don't understand. Me and I will Jesus. You're the owner of my life.
The man is costco. So, when are we going to see you again?
You go see him when you die. You go see him when we. What can I do, mommy?
God have mercy upon us.
When we. When are you going to see him? And you, what are you doing here? What are they telling you?
What is your aim and objective?
Nothing. Wait a minute. Two tigers like this stand, bigger tiger and smaller tiger. They stand you for road, just they look you as a glotto, or they lick you as a honey pot. They are telling you nothing. Hey! Even the two guys just stop it, they watch you.
How they put Sansan for Karina?
Okay, shut up. You don't say you be Sansan. You be a back on curry, you be bag of sand. You don't enter person right so they question you take with the touch bar. Come out you like say that they come out sand for this through away. Say why they put Sansan for Karina. Now to cross bag and I him be the team. I am somebody. Out!
I don't want wahala.
Why you never want wahala?
Tomorrow, okay?
Why you to samba? You know see your big bum. You dey knock am bagridi. Okay, see what you got. Shut up your mouth. One tell you. Ngare check. See people just start. No. Just want to remain. Without arrange and finish. Enugu Ranger. Mabrate. Not Tuesday. This na go no.
We don't hear about you say they spoil guy, young guys parole. Why they do like this?
Now so you spoil one for me yesterday.
Now they hear. I go still spoil another one.
What?
I go still spoil more because this year anybody will no do where him way no pure. Now spoil. Even if you there, you are not. We will not to understand you. We go spoil things for you because this year is a year of taking over, being serious, sticking to something better, and achieving it.
So now by to spoil people parole.
Why are not going to spoil them? Are you? Let me ask again. Who's speaking on a business? Where on a from?
You from Ekwe?
From Ekwe. Who be on a papa for Ekwe?
Celestine.
Celestine.
Celestine Ayakodo.
Check. Celestine Ayakodo, the one who died a few years ago.
Yes. Okay, you know.
Now Celestine Bono. Celestine name on Ashton. Celestine again, blood where you go take just to bring out to one person. Yeah, way head correct. You go divide them into two. Chepatra your correct wake up. Chepatra two big headed nothing for nothing. What you want to do that?
Leave out. Okay, it's not about show. No, I know.
Oh, come on, I will next for your head. I mean,
No, do that thing again if you see me and babe again. Oh, which kind of package be this one now?
This run where you run out life now, where you want go find weapon. If say you go use this run, come on, go find money, go hustle and make money like other young boy. You go better. You want run out, you go find weapon.
I'm a big boy, yo. I'm a big boy. I'm a big boy.
Big boys like this, so just come special for us.
Maybe to buy okreka two different color. Match them together. They keep head like a gorilla. We no get destination. Take on mind on yourself for this new year. This is 2024. Every young person should be up and doing. Stopping a girl on the road, spinning a girl, collecting it. There's nothing wrong with it. But make sure you are with your senses. It's not a must that everything that passes you will be woman. You must stop and ask for number. Ask for. You should ask questions. Mind where you are going to. A lot of all these beautiful things you see around, they are not what we think they are. They have killed so many people. Some of them are agents of darkness. You follow them, they will take you to somewhere, you'll be slaughtered. Now look at it, you are here. The way when they buy Kanuku, now so young people, they go for their site, where they build their house, they go stand like this, they watch people where they work for them. But you put hand for waist, stand like a statue, no shame. I am just telling you the truth. What your father could not tell you, that's what I'm telling you now. Everybody should be careful, be mindful of what you do. All these young girls where you see, when they don't go do BBA, carrying out full everywhere, most of them are not human. Most of them are so dangerous. They have destroyed homes. They have killed so many people.
You know, but at least you no be here. Oh, they busy.
You for call us once.
Now that busy, now he go kill you. Too much of busy, doing nothing, now he they kill. Now that if I not talk, I'm here now. When I don't enter, you stay in a charm, she carry now. Before you need 2 days from here. So really, it's good that I have stopped you from dangerous mission. I'm not saying she's bad, but I'm telling you people in case of incasity. If you're that girl, I know how already. Not
stop the look. This way this man talk makes sense.
Woohoo!
This man last.
You know when that guy go end.
This is when you talk makes sense.
Now the blood where they come out from you, now they take do this nonsense.
Now 2024 be this.
Good. The blood where they come out from you, 1 liter, now him from this nonsense. See, like human. Then when want to do the last one, now this last one, I go kill you. Now you be the fake ejima why they see here. Take one. Obra na ezi ponye ki ise zo yoke. A cup 1 liter there. Wash. Mo na mind on yourself. To then make come gaga zra won biko. That means say you don't get money. I just want to prank you. She no get. Obi nya pa where I would the kid. Maybe to hang up. No be every bag, but sometimes na tools. Mo wa a condom. O we no get here. We also got no email. Here a tools all anti. What will be a butcher boss of earring and garden? Oh, my ship a good dollar, what a reputed dollar. We go moose on a Mozambique. When you graduate, and then have a China, all you governor. If you can if you call them governor, governor, one them they do the most, they do compare better kingdom. I got a number. One day I will get up on her news to give me a smile. We do not jam on news. Why a day such a period? Look at the zodiac opportunity. Because you know when them are enough is enough for the wife. I have spoken. Better go and think. Don't always see me as a talkative. You too talk. But out of every of my talk, there must be sense. So if you're wise enough, you pick. Nonsense. Your father died when your father Celestine was alive. Celestine was a good man. If not that he didn't live to enjoy every fruit of his labor. Celestine was a good man. Nobody that doesn't know Celestine in Aleko. Celestine man could do what mad. Yeah, they who try is she too dangerous iniquity.